success coach. My name is Ashana Rashid. My name is Rashid. My name is Amir Rashid. And on today's episode, which is part 4 of the Bouncy Egg Cool Science.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Global Mindset University. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal. On today's special episode, I've got a call from the success coach, and they are telling me that they have got a cool science experiment. Before I introduce them, on today's episode, like I said, we're going to have a cool science experiment, and I cannot wait to see what they have for us. Let's give them an opportunity to introduce themselves. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Can you start telling your name from right?
My name is My name is Shadia. My name is Amir.
Great. What do you guys have today?
Well, we have this bouncy egg experiment.
What is bouncy egg experiment?
Well, a bouncy egg is an egg that is usually bouncy, which is shown here.
Okay. I have a question for you guys. Okay.
No, you're wrong.
What makes the egg bouncy? Can you tell us what it makes it bouncy? I just want to know that.
It's because of the acetic acid that is stored inside.
Oh, great. So, Mahfouz, what do you have in your hand? Can you show us and can you explain?
It's an egg that's not.
That means that's a raw egg.
Raw egg.
Raw egg. Okay, that's a raw egg. Then,
And this is the next one.
what is it, Amir?
Bouncy egg. Yes. How many to bouncy one? Okay.
One at a time. We cannot hear you.
Inside the vinegar because of the acetic acid.
Can you speak louder, Shadi, so everybody can hear you?
We did it in the acetic acid, which was stored inside the vinegar.
Okay.
Then
So-
after that, it made the egg bouncy.
Oh, great. So from what I hear right here, there is a chemical reaction happen between what and what?
Between the vinegar and the raw egg. Then it starts to make it bouncy.
So what is the chemical you find in the raw egg? I want to know that chemical.
The chemical we have in the raw egg was the
Calcium carbonate. Carbonate.
Yes.
Hey. Oh, great, Asharia. Can you tell us what that raw egg contained, the hard part of the egg? Can you tell us and explain that chemical?
Sure. The hard part of the egg, what it contains? It contains the calcium and the carbonate.
Calcium carbonate. It's just one chemical.
Because this egg that's why some cracks. No, that's not why it has a crack.
Okay.
Because that's why it's hard. Because of the calcium and the carbonate.
So, Asharia, when you do that, have you seen any bubble come out?
Oh yes, there's the acetic acid and it is also the carbonate.
The carbonate. I believe.
Floats away from the egg.
Yes. Okay.
First,
Awesome.
it's still inside the egg, then after that it floats away and it
Okay.
starts, and finally you'll start to see some yellow parts. That is the bouncy
Okay.
over there. Yes.
There is a rip.
It's
Okay.
peeling off.
It's almost okay. So, another question for you guys. So the carbonate, the acetic acid, which you find in lemon or in vinegar, have you ever tasted lemon?
Well, yes, and it tastes sour. It's because of the acetic acid.
Okay.
By the way, we can't. I know you're thinking, but we can't eat the white lemon. But can you spot the difference of both of these? That this egg is a little larger than the regular one.
Okay.
And we can't pick up this from this spot.
Okay.
Our first
So-
bouncy egg, when I looked at it, I thought that it had water inside. That's why it looked larger.
Yeah, I just make it a little bit closer so we can see your egg. Yes, I can see that. That's the bouncy egg.
Larger than this one.
And that is the real raw egg. Okay, awesome. So let me ask you this question. How long
I
does
know.
it?
You think that this egg is just white paint?
No, I didn't
It's
think
not
that.
white paint.
I
It's
didn't
not
think
white
that.
paint. What
I
is
know
it?
it is hard.
What is it? It's hard.
Okay.
Yes, it is the shell that protects the inside of the egg. Yeah.
Of
Also,
course.
you guys must know why. Why is not protecting it? Why don't you do it too?
I have a question. I have a question for you guys. I want to know how long does it take to turn the raw egg into a bouncy egg? How long does it take you?
Well, it takes 1 day or at least 24 hours. And also, if
Right.
it's still not working, and if you see a little bit of hard part, you need to another 24 hours.
Okay.
48.
Okay.
24 hours
Because
to make this ready.
okay,
Yes.
it took you 24 hours. Awesome. So that is literally an average how long it will take you, which is 24 hours to turn the raw egg into the bouncy egg.
You guys must be wondering, how did I make this? Well, you need to watch this. So it starts like this. First of all, these are the things you need. An egg, vinegar, and a cup.
Okay,
Egg,
so
vinegar, and
those are the ingredients you need. You need an egg, raw egg. You need a vinegar, and what else you need?
The next thing we'll need a cup.
Okay, just
to
like that.
hold the egg.
Okay.
Once you've done that, you pour. You pour some of this vinegar inside the egg, and then you'll start to see some bubbles.
Okay.
Once you've seen that. Those are the carbonate. Well,
Exactly.
The carbonate, it floats away from the egg.
Interesting.
And then you start to see some white parts.
So the white part is the calcium.
Yes,
Okay.
it's the calcium.
It's the calcium.
And also, the calcium and the carbonate are mixed up to form the shell. I think I see a bend.
Have you guys washed it with the water?
Yes, once it's ready and you see that it is like this, well, at least you pick it up out of the vinegar, you go ahead and rub it.
Okay.
You rub it with some water, rub.
Okay.
And finally, you'll be surprised once you're done.
Wow.
Bouncy egg.
Interesting. What a cool experiment. Okay, I see Mahfouz was trying to smell it. What would the smell looks like, Mahfouz? Can you explain that, the smell, the odor?
Not that good.
Okay. Okay.
Kind of lemony.
Okay, because it's the acid. Okay. By the way. Because of the acid. Yeah, the vinegar. Great. You know, guys, I got the egg just right from here, and then now I got a chance to smell the egg. As you can see right here, that's the egg that they are talking about from the success coach. Then I have got one egg right here. It is bouncy, really. I just make sure that, as you can see right here, I be able to touch it, and it's still bouncy. I can see it. It's really bouncy.
Yes.
And then if I smell it, yes, it is like, ooh, vinegar. Yes, real vinegar. So that's how they be able to turn the egg, the raw egg, into a bouncy egg. So as you can see, it is really bouncy. It is really bouncy, and they be able to succeed with these science experiments. Great. So I want to see. Okay, it's okay, no problem. So sometimes, yes, especially the raw eggs. So that the bouncy eggs, it broke. Can we see it? Okay, so it broke. So that's.
This is the skin of it.
Okay, that's the skin of the egg. Can you put your hand down? Leg hand down, Ashad. Yes. So that is the skin of the egg. Okay, great. I think I see some paper towel. You can clean your hand. Awesome. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate. Thank you so much for coming to the Global Mindset University and present this wonderful science experiment. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. I really thank you so much. Is there anything you want to say before we conclude this session?
Well, it's been a great time.
Okay.
So then maybe tomorrow we can make another one and share what it feels like when you bounce it, because we haven't bounced it.
Okay, but I see that the egg is, you guys can be able to easily break the egg, and then
too excited.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Until we see each other with another episode. Until then, have a great day, guys. I want to see everybody here who are from the Global Mindset University and also from Success Coach. I want to say thank you very much for sharing your science experiments. And for more science related, you can join Global Mindset University as well as Success Coach. You can find it in the YouTube channel as well as in the Facebook. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal. Until we see each other with another episode, have a great day, guys. Bye bye.